Today I want to do something that is really well overdue and say thank you. This Slave-1 from Kenner was given to me by my friend Dave when I was going through a very difficult time a couple years ago. And I've meant to do a video on it for a very long time, but it needed a background and a display. It took me a couple years to get it done because I overthought the process, and I eventually just buckled down this year and got it done. But I wanted to share it with you because I really like it. It's a toy and it's intended to be played with. And I do find myself interacting with this one much more than the TVC one I got a few years ago. Now, the TVC one is an amazing model and it looks fantastic on a shelf. But this one, you really want to interact with it and take your mind off things a little bit, and it's enjoyable. It's complete. And I didn't have to think about anything. I didn't have to track anything down. It was just a very lovely gift. And I just wanted to say thank you, Dave. I appreciate it. And I wanted to show you how it looks in my display.